I think what makes this project innovative is being able to cover our 70,000 square miles and those 700 plus feeders with 100% visibility for less than $1 million. Otter Tail Power is a small utility. It's one of the smallest investor-owned utilities in the nation, actually. We are located or headquartered in Fergus Falls, Minnesota, and serve roughly 70,000 square miles. One of the fun facts I like to point out is we have about 180,000 distribution poles and 130,000 customers. And then when you add in our transmission poles, which is another 100,000 poles, we're about 2 poles to every customer. So it's kind of a unique aspect of our rural territory and who we serve. So about 3 years ago, Otter Tail was searching for a replacement for a system that was leveraging 2G technology to monitor our feeders for interruptions and then respond to customer interruptions. So we went out to a handful of different vendors and ultimately selected Itron for a number of different reasons. One of them just being we wanted to understand and use an AMI network and system through this process. Some of our main drivers was certainly, first and foremost, we needed to capture reliability metrics. So we have to understand, and really that's what we use to improve our system, respond to issues on the system, and really improve service to customers. Second was just understanding AMI software, AMI in general in the industry. We're manually read meters today, and so now through this project we've deployed around 1,400 cellular-based AMI meters, and so that's something that we've gained a lot of knowledge from as well. The third driver was to notify field personnel when there are issues. And so with Itron's tools, we're able to send emails and text automatically to guys in the field, and so they can respond quicker to issues that arise in the system. The way we're monitoring, covering our system for insights is through Bellwether meters throughout our very sparse service territory. So we don't have an outage management system today, but Itron and the services and tools that we receive from Itron allow us to visualize and see those outages in a fashion similar to an OMS without all the costs. Within the Itron package, we're using single-phase meters, and then we're using 3-phase meters, polyphase meters across our system, and we're leveraging them to monitor all of our feeders. We have 722 feeders as a company spread across those 70,000 square miles. So outside of the meters themselves are the reliability analysis, outage detection. Actually, we also use the open-way collection engine and then the MDM as well. Compared to our old system, the analytics within Itron is much more flexible and user-friendly, way more graphical. We have a tie to GIS. So when we're visualizing and trying to communicate to our executives around reliability issues, it's way easier to summarize recent events through some of those tools that reliability analysis and outage detection can give us. The notifications and the input that we get from the analytics system, it helps us greatly in managing our outages. Over the past weekend, we had a kind of a freak October snowstorm. So most of our territory saw snow of some nature in some parts up to 2-3 feet, which is insane amount of snow for October. Really any time for that matter. But then what we can do is look through the reliability analysis package and then summarize how many customers were out of power for how long, how many were impacted. That's all after the fact, and certainly in real time those notifications are sent to guys in the field so that they can respond to those interruptions much quicker. The platform we have in place today will give us good information, and through that information there's a lot of things and ideas we have to improve our communication to customers. In addition, I think we're really looking to expand our knowledge of our system as well, and we're going to do that through more meter placements just to get added visibility and understanding of the system.